Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we tackle the cleaning conundrums so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two popular steam mops, the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop and the REECOO Steam Mop. It's a showdown of steam power and cleaning efficiency. Let's get started. First up is price. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop is priced at $99, which some reviewers feel might be on the higher side, especially considering its lightweight design and versatility. On the other hand, the REECOO Steam Mop comes in at a budget-friendly $69. Reviewers appreciate its affordability, noting that it delivers decent cleaning performance without breaking the bank. So if you're looking to save some cash, REECOO is definitely the way to go. Next, let's talk about cleaning power. The PurSteam heats up in just 30 seconds, making it a reliable choice for tackling tough messes. Reviewers have praised its effectiveness on various surfaces, although some have mentioned the attachment brushes could wear out. Meanwhile, the REECOO heats up even faster at 15 seconds and boasts a powerful 1200 W output. Many reviewers describe it as a strong performer, especially for cleaning floors and glass doors, but some have reported issues with steam consistency. If you need speed, REECOO might just be your superhero. Now, let's compare versatility. The PurSteam is a true 10-in-1 marvel, capable of cleaning floors, carpets, and even clothes. Reviewers rave about its ability to tackle multiple surfaces efficiently. In contrast, the REECOO is also a solid 10-in-1, but it shines more when it comes to cleaning surfaces like windows and stoves. Some users have noted that while it's versatile, it doesn't quite match the PurSteam's range. If you want all-around cleaning, PurSteam is your best bet. Let's not forget the accessories. The PurSteam comes loaded with a variety of attachments, making it a cleaning powerhouse. Reviewers appreciate this feature, stating it enhances the mop's functionality. On the flip side, the REECOO includes fewer accessories, leading some users to feel it lacks a bit of pizzazz. While it's still functional, those looking for a complete cleaning kit might lean towards PurSteam. Finally, let's discuss ease of use. The PurSteam is noted for its lightweight and maneuverable design, making it easy to get under furniture. Reviewers love how simple it is to use, though some have pointed out a short cord as a drawback. The REECOO features a double-sided cloth for flipping between cleaning tasks, adding to its convenience. However, some users have mentioned a design flaw that affects steam output when turned upside down. Overall, both mops are user-friendly, but PurSteam edges out slightly for its ease of maneuverability. In summary, both the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop and the REECOO Steam Mop have their strengths and weaknesses. Reviewers generally appreciate the PurSteam for its versatility and comprehensive features, while the REECOO is praised for its affordability and quick heating. However, some users have experienced issues with both products, such as steam consistency and accessory performance. Ultimately, it seems like both mops have their loyal fans. So which steam mop is your pick? If you value versatility and don't mind spending a bit more, PurSteam might be the one for you. But if you're looking for something efficient and budget-friendly, REECOO could be the perfect choice. Let us know in the comments which product you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for links to both products. Until next time, keep it clean.